Hello, I'm Dr. J.K. Sachdeva. We have a playlist with series, myths, and facts in statistics. This is the 10th video. This video is on outliers. Let us begin with a simple Likert scale example. Suppose we ask respondents to rate their satisfaction on a scale from 1 to 5. Most responses are between 3 and 5, indicating moderate to high satisfaction. However, one respondent gives a rating of 1. When we plot this using a box plot, this observation appears as an outlier. The immediate reaction in many analyses is to remove this value, assuming that it distorts the results. But is that correct approach? Just watch the box plot and an outlier. Outliers are often treated as problematic observations that must be eliminated. This belief is common in research practice, but it is not always correct. Why the myth exists? Outliers can influence the mean and can make results appear unstable. As a result, researchers sometimes feel compelled to remove them to clean the data. Myth 1 versus fact 1. A common myth is that outliers must be removed. Osborne and Overway emphasize that outliers may represent real and meaningful observations. Removing them without justification can introduce bias and distort conclusions. Myth 2 versus fact 2. Another misconception is that outliers always distort results. In reality, their impact depends on the method used. Robust statistics such as the median are less sensitive to extreme values. Wilcox discusses how modern statistical techniques can handle outliers effectively. Myth 3 versus fact 3. Outliers are often assumed to be errors. While some may result from data entry mistakes, the others may represent rare but important cases or subgroups. Each outlier must be investigated before making decisions. Let us see a worked example. In our Likert-scale example, including the outlier reduces the average satisfaction score. If we remove it, the average increases. This demonstrates that removing outliers can change interpretation significantly. What should be done? Good practice requires investigating outliers, verifying data accuracy, and using appropriate statistical methods. Removal should be justified, not automatic. To conclude, outliers are not merely noise in the data, they are signals that require careful interpretation. Outliers are signals, not noise. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for watching. Please share the full series on myths and statistics. Thank you very much.
Always share the videos of Dr. Sachdeva to your friends who are interested in data analysis.